God, it smells good in here. All right, everybody, we are busy out here on the 4th of July.
God, it's so damn hot.
Stripping seats. So I've got a lot of them out. Obviously, these are unbolted. I'm small and I don't want to lift them out by myself yet. But saved all the seat bottoms there. That's all the padding that used to be wrapped around these seats. Basically what I did is I stripped all these seats and everything. That way when I go to scrap these, you know, it's a lot better if they don't have the material on them. So little by little we're getting her stripped out. Alright, so as you can see, the seat frames are out. I still have this one bolted to the floor, got this one bolted to the floor, and this one over here bolted to the floor. And all of those have 1/4-20 bolts running down through there, and apparently they have nuts on the bottom side, so that's going to require a second person to help me get those out. But otherwise, everything back here is pretty much gutted out. So we still got some trash and some other stuff to get out of here, but little by little it's getting gutted. I've already done my first initial sweep job. Obviously we'll have to sweep some more, but subwoofer still just kind of sitting here. I got those seat pads to take out, just my tools down there. The wheelchair lift is staying in the bus, but this thing right there and that thing right there need to go bye-bye. So, and we'll also pull this one out right here because we're going to do a wall up in the front. So all that stuff needs to go. We are also going to do a wall in the back, but back here the wall is probably going to stop right around here because he wants a storage compartment in the rear. So the one thing I will have to do is I'll have to pipe some stuff so that the heater will heat the inside of the bus, and also the AC, I'll have to put some stuff up here on the ceiling and everything to channel that AC back into the passenger compartment also. I'm not really sure what that is. I think that might be some type of a heater, because there's other stuff up here. There's a piece right here that sticks out from the wall. It goes down and it zags over there, and it goes down into another little box like that, and I don't really know what that is yet. Like I said, this is my first time building a school bus, but I will tell you right now, these things are built like, I mean, these are tanks. The amount of bolts and everything that they used in this thing to mount everything down is crazy. All right, everybody, well, when Monty gets here, we're gonna load up all those seats in his truck, and he hopefully is going to help me with getting under the bus. I hate to tell him it's very wet under there, but we're either going to grind these out from the top, or we'll unbolt them from the bottom. Either way doesn't bother me, but they just need to go so that all that can get out of there. So, all right, everybody, well, that is the update for today. All right, everybody, so that's the extent of what I'm probably going to get done for this video today. I mean, obviously I'm going to keep on working, but you know, as far as the video for today, I think that's everything that we need for today, and it won't be long. We'll start taking a lot of the plastic parts out of this and getting them scrubbed, cleaned, and painted and everything. And well, we got to paint the whole ceiling and start fabrication on everything. So keep on checking back, everybody, because we're going to get on a roll here, and I'm going to see how fast I can knock this thing out. So everybody hang in there. This is Digger signing out. We'll catch you guys on the flip side. Digger is out. I'll tell you guys this, ever since I got in here and started tearing this bus down, I kept thinking, man, something smells good in this bus. I couldn't pinpoint it because it's a product that I don't use very often, but it is a fantastic product. I threw it back in this corner, and I don't know if the can is leaking or what, but God, it smells good in here. Tell you what it is here, if I can find it. There it is. A can of Croil. Well, what's left of it. Not much in there, but if you guys work on cars much, you know what Croil does. So, it's good stuff and makes a bus smell very nice inside. Croil, the bus freshener. Stop recording. And hey, YouTubers, don't forget to hit that little subscribe button and maybe even that little ding ding bell thing. That way you get updated and you know what's going on right after I do it. So tune in, there's more to come. The party starts here.